Imagine you have three very different problems to solve. To solve them, you hire three different experts: a world-class chef, a hyper-efficient personal assistant, and a legendary explorer. These three experts are the perfect way to understand the three faces of modern artificial intelligence. This is generative AI. You give it a creative task, a prompt. It doesn't follow a recipe. Instead, it draws upon everything it has ever learned, every flavor, every texture, every technique to create something entirely new. It generates. Generative AI is the artist, the poet, the musician. It creates novel content, text, images, music based on the data it was trained on. It's not designed to do things in the real world. It's designed to create things in the digital world. This is Agentic AI. It's not creating something new, it's executing a series of predefined tasks to achieve a goal. It uses tools, follows rules, and interacts with other systems to get the job done. It's the ultimate assistant. Think of chatbots or virtual assistants. They don't write a poem about your flight, they book it. They operate within a set of guidelines, using external tools and APIs to complete tasks. Their job is to automate processes. This is an AI agent. It's more than an assistant. It's an autonomous decision maker. It doesn't just follow a list of tasks. It creates the list. It perceives its environment, makes complex decisions, adapts to new information, and pursues a high-level goal with full autonomy. Think of a self-driving car navigating a chaotic city, or a sophisticated robot managing an entire warehouse. They don't just execute tasks, they interact with the world, learn from it, and make their own choices to achieve their objective. So, who do you hire? It depends on the job. To write a poem, you hire the chef. To book a flight, you hire the assistant. But to discover a new world, you hire the explorer. Generative AI gives you a beautiful painting. Agentic AI hangs it on the wall for you. And an AI agent decides which room needs art, commissions the painter, and manages the entire gallery opening. Understanding the difference is the key to unlocking the true power of artificial intelligence. It's not about which AI is best, but which AI is right for the task. The future doesn't belong to those who simply use AI, but to those who understand which expert to call. Don't just use AI, lead it. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video.